Hello everyone and welcome back to MK's Aviation. So today we are going to be unboxing the Gemini Jet's September 2020 releases that I ordered. There are two models in this box. Hopefully you are excited for this unboxing, and let's get right into it. Okay, now that I have the box open, as you can tell, this is a pretty big box for only two models, so you might have an idea of what these models are. I ordered this order from Easy Toys, and let's get right into it. So as you can see, the first model is this American 777-200. I'm gonna have to get these boxes out because Easy Toys is sort of notorious for this, but I mean these are tight packed, so I'm gonna need two hands for this. Okay, so as you just saw, the first model is the American 777-200ER. Does not appear to be anything broken. Obviously this is a brand new box, feels brand new. But the second model is the United 777-200 ER. Well, actually this one is just a 200, not the ER. So I have two 777-200s to unbox this month, and let's get right into it. And first impressions after getting it out of the box is it is a very nice model. Coloring is not as bad as I was expecting it to be. It's about the shade of the NG A321. I'll bring it in right now. It's about that color, if not even a little bit better. But yeah, overall it's a really nice model. Still, you have the issue with the gear being a little bit, I don't know, it looks a lot high. But the Wi-Fi box is white, which is a step up from the 787. But yeah, this is definitely not bad. Next we have the United 777-200. And first looks to be a very nice model. So no broken models, which is as it should be when you're unboxing models. The first thing I do notice is that for some reason on all the United models there's a bit of separation from the engine itself and the engine attachment thing. So I don't know why that is, but that does seem to unfortunately be the case on a lot of these models. But yeah, coloring looks fine and the model looks perfect as well. So we'll go into a deeper review on the American 777. Alright, so here we got the American 777-200ER. Gotta admit, I was a little bit hesitant about picking this one up just because I don't really have any American hubs. But you'll probably see this model in the MK International updates, going from MK International Miami or something. And maybe if American ever gets to the point of international, maybe London Heathrow or something cool like that. But again, color is not bad. Let me bring in the NG73 just to compare. Let's see how should I do this. And you can see there that it's a little sparkly, but other than that, I mean, it's not very far off in my opinion. I don't know American Airlines as good as some, but in my honest opinion, it looks pretty good. Alright, so starting up front, we have the cockpit. Looks pretty good, and then you still have the issue of it being a lot too tall. In real life they just look a lot lower to the ground, and I think they're a little bit, I can't remember if it's like a centimeter or something off, but yeah. So, and then you got all that detail up there, the One World symbol and stuff. So detail not an issue, never an issue for Gemini jets. Colors look a lot more vibrant. I'm not sure if people are gonna think these are correct. I can't really tell you because I'm not. I don't know. American Airlines is not good enough. But then on these engines, it's not as defined, so I don't know why it's always United 777s that have that, but it seems to be the case. The underbelly of the airplane looks fine. Gears are all straight, engines are all straight, paint looks fine. All antennae are facing the right direction and are in place. Got the registration, which is I think it's 797AN, or Alpha November for those of you. And then yeah, the tail looks fine, vibrant as always, and the rear there looks good. So yeah, no issue with wings or anything. The only issue with this model is the height, but that's just a small issue. Everything else, I'd give it a 9 out of 10. Now, a model I was not hesitant about picking up is the this one, the 9777-200. You got the same issue with the American one, just a little bit too high there in the front, but otherwise looks pretty good. But we'll start up here at the front. Windows are fine, got Starline's titles, L1 and L2 door fine. No issue in color there, looks pretty identical, I'd say. Stripe looks good. Again, we'll show the underside of the aircraft. Again, all gears perfectly straight, looks just amazing, details perfect, really nice model. And then you got the Wi-Fi disc. All antennas are intact and facing the right direction. This one seems to have one more than the American one does. And let me check the box here. And yes, that is supposed to be the case. There are 3 antennas on this aircraft and only 2 on the American one rather. Sorry. Registration November 210 Uniform Alpha or United Airlines. All the doors are fine. Wings, again, no issue there. And then you got the tail, which looks perfect, no issue whatsoever. So yeah, another I'd give this one a 9 point. We'll give it a 9 out of 10, just like we did the American one. But again, 2 very nice models. Would recommend getting both of these, and we'll head to the. Well, Gemini Jets really came in strong on these 2 models. 2 great models. If you haven't already picked these up, I highly encourage you to do so. They'll make a great addition to your collection. Gemini Jets really came in clutch here. I picked them over NG models in my NG versus Gemini Jets video. If you hadn't gone and seen that, go check it out. Link should be in the top. But yeah, these are 2 very nice models, as you can see. And yeah, so recommend getting both. But that does conclude this unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. God bless.